Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the school lantern in Fish It Roblox. So the school lantern is one of the accessory for your angler, providing a creepy glow for those late at night session. And here I'm going to show you the exact location where you can get it. So it is one of the new items in the Fish It updates. So to get the school lantern, you can just head into the Pirate Cove and find or go to this rusty platoon. So you can just talk to Eugene, open shop, and here you can buy the school lantern for 10,000 doubloons. So if you don't have enough doubloons, you need to get it by completing some of the daily quests, so you can get these doubloons as the rewards. So if you want to buy it, you can just click on buy on a school lantern, and now you own it. If you want to change your lantern skin with the school lantern, you can just click on a gear icon, lantern skin, click on view, and choose the school lantern. Click on equip skin, and that's it. You now get the school lantern. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button.